What's going on, man? My name is Dave and welcome to the Teach Hanley channel. Today, we're gonna talk about 4 tips if you're just getting started at the gym. So let's hop right into it. Number 1 is you need to make sure you have the essentials. This includes the proper workout attire, like some nice shoes that are gonna have some good support for you, some breathable clothing, a towel that you can use to wipe the sweat off your face, to wipe the sweat off of, the machines that you use. You also want to have a clean change of clothes that you can use right after your workout is done, so you don't have to, spend the rest of your day in those sweaty clothes, as well as a water bottle. Now, one thing that's super key is to make sure you shower right after your workout. You don't want to just spend the rest of your day all sweaty. All that bacteria is going to go into your pores. It can cause breakouts. It can just cause problems for your skin. So look for a gym that has showers there, or just go right home after the gym and shower up. Now, to really get rid of all that dirt and bacteria and grime, what you want to do is use a good body wash. And my favorite wash for that is the Teach Hanley body wash. It gets deep into men's tough skin to clean out your pores, to keep you looking hydrated, your skin looking hydrated, and to make sure that you're ready to go for the rest of the day. That way your face, your body are gonna be looking good. You're gonna prevent any type of body acne, and you're gonna be feeling great too. Next up, be sure to stretch. Stretching before your workout is gonna be super crucial to make sure that you avoid any injuries. This is especially true if you've never worked out before, or maybe you're not used to working out, you're just kind of getting started. It's gonna be a lot easier in those times to pull a muscle or to injure yourself, so stretching is even more key. There's tons of different stretching routines that you can find online. I personally like to go with something a little bit more dynamic, jumping around a little bit, making some motions like these versus, doing some tight stretches like these, because it's just gonna make your body feel nice and warm. It's gonna feel, make you feel ready to go. You're gonna be nice and loose and ready to get that workout in. And you're gonna wanna keep doing this even after you get used to working out for a while. It's gonna prevent those long-term injuries, keep you feeling good. Next up, you wanna start with easier routines and lighter weights. You don't need to walk into the gym and try to bench press 225 10 times. It's not gonna work, you're gonna injure yourself. It's not gonna get you anywhere. What's a lot better is to find a good routine online, a good simple beginner routine, and go use some light weights to get a sense of where you're at, how much you can lift. Right? And you want to err towards going lighter versus going heavier, because you can always, put more weight on if it's too light. You'll also want to switch up what area of the body you're working on. Now, I've done this different ways in the past. I've done full body workouts every other day where I've focused on, a specific muscle group, but then also kind of worked the rest of the body as well, and then gave myself a break in between. I've also done, groupings where I worked out my chest and my back, and then, the next day my legs and my shoulders, and then my biceps and my triceps, and taking a break from there. So there's different ways you can do this. Again, there's plenty of, routines you can find online that are gonna have different splits. So find what works best for you and give it a try. This is gonna allow your body and your muscles to rest, which is one of the biggest keys to actually growing good muscle and getting results from the gym. That rest period is key. You don't need to just go pedal to the metal every single day. Another thing is to make sure that you're using proper form as you're going about these exercises. So really focus on the form over the weight, like we talked about before. The form is, having that down is gonna make sure that you don't get injured, that you're getting the most out of every single rep. And then as you get that form down, like I said, you can keep kind of, increasing the weight, and you're gonna get better and better. And next, you need to give your body back what it needs. After working out, you need to make sure you replenish and rehydrate the body. Now, if you haven't been lifting weights, you're probably not used to eating tons of protein. But now that you're lifting, your body needs that protein to build the muscle that you're trying to build. Sort of a general rule that I go with is I try to eat my body weight in grams of protein. So I'm around 190 pounds, so I try to eat around 190 grams of protein each day. And I do this through a mix of, eating meats, eating, different types of veggies, eating, protein shakes. I have, probably 1 or 2 protein shakes throughout the day. Sometimes I have a protein bar sprinkled in there as well, so that I can consistently hit those protein numbers and grow the way I want to be growing. And studies have actually found that increasing the amount of protein you intake on a daily basis can actually help to lead to more weight loss after working out. So give it a try. One thing you want to be careful of is whey protein. I used whey protein for a long time. I started to realize that I was getting breakouts, and I was wondering, like, why am I getting all these breakouts? My dermatologist told me, hey, chill out with the whey protein a little bit. So I switched over to a more of a plant-based protein. Now I use like different meat-based proteins that don't have whey in them, and I've seen my breakouts be reduced a lot more. So yeah, be cognizant of what your body is tolerant of. Maybe your body tolerates whey protein really well. Maybe it doesn't. Experiment with it a little bit. See what works for you. But yeah, man, if you can go ahead and do these things, you're going to get off to a great start in the gym. You're going to start building muscle. You're going to get attention from the ladies, and you're going to have a good time. Now, if you want to check out more of Tiege Hanley's products alongside their awesome body wash, you can check this out over here. And if you want to check out more videos from Tiege Hanley, you can check this out over here. And I will see you in the next video.